Darkness seems to be enveloping our society. Darkness seems to be dragging many of our young men into questionable practices. Many of our young men are succumbing to the darkness of violence, and many of our young men are taking the lives of people in their very own community. What can be done when we see such dark times? What can be done when we see such pain and misery? Is there any hope? I am here to declare to you, like a voice crying in the wilderness, that there is hope, that there is light in this great dark times. I am a game changer. I'm not a game changer because I've got strength within myself. I'm a game changer because I got strength from above. I'm a game changer because when I didn't feel no hope, hope from above came down into my soul. I'm a game changer when I did not see a way out, when I was carrying grief of pain, of my own mistakes, of my own hurt and pain that I caused to others. Guess what? Somebody changed my life. If you are hearing me today, if you are a young man who feels the grief, who feels the pain, who doesn't know which direction to go, who feels like there's no purpose to their lives, who don't know where to turn, where to go, who to seek direction from, who are carrying regret on your back like a heavy burden, I'm here calling you to our event, Game Changers Men Edition. We are here, the Game Changers team, who are saying, look, we understand. We have come from dark places ourselves, but we are here to provide a solution. We are here to provide hope. Come, tell us your story. Where are you on your journey? And we will guide you to better things.